Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a collective haul. I'm so excited to share this with you because a lot of these items did get sent to me and I'm so beyond grateful and excited to be sharing them with you guys. I will have everything linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. I did buy a few of the things in this haul. Most of it was sent to me and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys so I can finally start styling all the pieces. And if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. But let's just get right into this haul. First, I want to start off with this huge package I got from MARLEY Lilly. If you guys don't know what MARLEY Lilly is, they are a monogramming company. They're seriously so cute. I have been following them since I started dressing preppy. They have this super cute little ML logo since it's like a monogramming company, and this is a sticker and they just have like a little thank you envelope with your receipt in it, and their packaging is just absolutely stunning. So their colors are pink and green. It's just like a pink box with a green ribbon, and I'm so excited. They emailed me reaching out and I was like, oh my gosh, I was like fangirling, you guys. But the first thing I got is this super cute backpack purse. And I thought this would be perfect for the spring season, just to kind of switch it up a little bit, but along with like summer, just kind of like throw it on. You can kind of put all your stuff in here. So it just has my monogram on it. It has a KMC, and I think that is like a black stitch, and then it's just this really pretty brown leather, and it has a nice little zipper pocket and everything. I'm so excited to put all my stuff from my purse in here and just kind of try it out. It's seriously so cute, and it has adjustable straps and like a little handle right here. I've never really had a backpack purse. A lot of my friends have them, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I could finally join the club on that one. And this is just seriously so stinking adorable. The next thing I got came in this huge box, and it is a monogram rain jacket, and the packaging again is just so stunning. I love anything pink, but I got this beautiful blue Charles River apparel rain jacket. So it just has my monogram on it and a little gray print over there, and it's just this really light blue rain jacket. It has like all the reflective detailing on it, and these are by far one of my favorite brands of raincoats. I have a yellow one just like this from an Etsy shop, and I wear it all the time. I got this in a size small, and they are just perfect for transitioning into the spring season, and then I wear them all throughout summer and fall, and of course in the winter if it's not too cold. But it's just like a nice raincoat, and I love the color. So thank you so much, MARLEY Lilly, for sending this to me. I'm so excited to style it. And the next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are my new sunglasses in Blu-ray glasses from SOJOS. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. They are big on Amazon. I was so shocked to see like how many sunglasses they have and everything. It's seriously so cool. And I recently just broke my new pair of sunglasses that I got in London, and so it was just like perfect timing when they reached out to me, and I got to pick a few pairs of sunglasses off their site. So the first pair I got are these kind of like hexagon shaped ones. I've been seeing these all over Pinterest, and I just think they're so cool and like so cute and kind of like a little bit like more edgy for my style, but I just think they're really fun, really cool, and gonna be fun to style, especially for this summer. And then my new all-time favorite pair, and I've been wearing these non-stop, are these round sunglasses. They're seriously so cool. They remind me of like the Pinterest ones I see all the time, and I have been loving these. I think they're just so fun and so flattering and just super cute, and I love how simple they are, and they're polarized, so they're really nice. Like it's just like a really good quality pair of sunglasses. And then the last pair of sunglasses I got from them are these big black ones, and I thought these were gonna be a lot like the ones that I had previous. They're a little bit bigger on me, but I just think these are gonna be so fun, like just perfect for like when you don't have any makeup on and your hair's up and just like running errands. And all of their sunglasses come with a nice little pouch to carry it around in, which is always helpful because I'm always so scared I'm like scratch them up since I put them in my purse. And then I did get to pick out a pair of blue light glasses, and I have been wanting a pair of these since I've been seeing so many people on Instagram wear them, and I just wear these when I'm at like my computer and everything. I love wearing them. I even like wear them out to school and stuff sometimes because I'm on my computer so much with some of my classes. So I just been loving those. I'm so excited to style them and like wear them out and everything, but I will have them linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. Then I got a few new makeup goodies, and these are from SheIn. They have a new makeup line on their website, and they like reached out to me asking to try them out. So I just got this really pretty packaging, and it came with a lipstick and a little mirror, and the lipstick packaging is really pretty. I haven't tried out any of these products, you guys. I've been waiting to share this with you guys. So it's called She Glam, and it just has like really cute little details, and I'm pretty sure this one's like a little heart. So like the lipstick is in the shape of a heart, which I just thought was so cute. And to swatch it out, it's just like a lip balm, so it's like not really there, it's just kind of like chapstick. And then it came with this little mirror, which I thought would be so fun just to toss in a purse and just kind of have that with you. And then they also sent me a lip gloss, which this is in the shade Modern Girl, and it's very pink. I love a good pink lip gloss, and the packaging is just really, really pretty. And it looks like a nice solid gloss, which I'm so excited to try this out. I will definitely have to do a makeup tutorial with it to see how I like it and everything, but I'm so excited for them. And speaking of skincare, you guys know how much I love Pixi products. They were one of the first companies that I made it onto their PR list. They recently just sent out this super cute hydrating skincare system, and like the packaging looks like a little milk carton. I think this is so adorable. I just had to share it with you guys. So it just has 6 different products. So it has a makeup remover, a cleanser, a peeling mask, a toner, a treat, and a moisturizer. I seriously love Pixi's products. I'm excited to open these up, but I think I'm going to make an Instagram story with them first. But I just thought I would share this with you guys because I use the vitamin C skincare line from them, which I will have linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But I just feel like my face is so glowy whenever I use their products. And I recently went to the mall. I've been really getting into hot yoga. So my gym membership includes all the classes, so I can take like as many classes as I want for free included in the membership. And one day I was just like, I'm going to just try yoga. And I fell in love with it, so I picked up a few new tops to wear to yoga. They're from Lululemon. So the first one is this really pretty like orangey pink Lululemon tank top. I love the simplicity of it, but what I've learned with yoga classes, you kind of have to wear more fitted clothes, because when you wear really loose clothes in yoga, they just don't like fit right, and it's kind of harder to do the yoga moves. So I love this, and I'm super excited to wear it out to yoga. I also picked up one of their long sleeves. So this is just like a really nice fitted purple striped top, and it was just so cute and so comfy, and I love the color of it. And then I also picked up a new running jacket, and this is from the North Face. So it's a 1/4 zip. It's just kind of like a cotton sweater, and it has the little logo on the side, and I just think this will be perfect while the weather's still transitioning, because it's like not cold enough to wear like a winter coat, but it's still like cold where you need a sweatshirt. So then I picked up another one as well, and my mom was like, Kelly, what are you gonna do with 2 black coats that look very similar? And I was like, but Mom, there is a difference. This one is a full zip. It's from Columbia, and this one's really warm too. It's just like a nice fleece jacket, and I got this in a size small as well, but I just like having a few different options. So this is a full zip. The other one was like a 1/4 zip, and I'm just kind of like low-key picky about my workout clothes, but buying new workout clothes definitely motivates me to get to the gym, and it just also helps me stay very consistent with my workouts. And then I have 2 more things to share with you guys. So I recently got a new fitness set from Fabletics. I'm so excited to be collabing with them. Fabletics is one of those brands that was always on my like bucket list of companies to work with. So I got the new seamless low impact sports bra, and then I also got the matching high-waisted seamless ribbed legging. And I have these leggings from like November or something, but guys, I had them in navy, and now I have them in hot pink, and they are seriously the most flattering and comfortable leggings I have ever owned. And I love them because they're so flattering. They just kind of like hug you in, but then they have this really fun like crisscrossy design on the back. But you can't go wrong with hot pink leggings. Like, it is such a power move wearing these outside of the house, especially to the gym, but it's just like so fun, and they're just so bright and so colorful. And then it came with the matching sports bra, which is just like this, and it kind of has like a little purpley design on it, and it's seriously so stinking cute. I wore these on my Instagram story. In case you guys aren't following me, it's just at Kellyprepster. I've been posting to my stories a lot lately. And then the last thing I want to share with you guys is from SheIn, and it's another like zip up jacket, but it's kind of one of those like fuzzy fleece Shepa sweatshirts, and it's just like a nice white color, and I just think this will look so cute with the hot pink set, like just kind of thrown over as like a fitness athleisure look. And I seriously am so excited to style all of these pieces. That is everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so beyond grateful for everything that I did get sent to me, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys and to work with companies like this. That just makes me so happy, and I wouldn't be here without you guys. So a huge thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next video. Bye guys!